Hello friends, this is Sawan Kumar and welcome back to Money, Business and Finance. Let us continue talking about sales. And when we talk of sales and salesmen, why do we feel scared of salesmen? Why do you feel scared of salesmen? Why do you not want to always entertain a lot of salesmen? You find them too clumsy, you find them too much of pressurizing, trying to hard sell, trying to do something that you do not like. Okay, I'll tell you my experience of a salesman, a car salesman. So he is the kind of guy who is not interested in listening to the objections that I have. He just has answers to anything and everything that I have. All the objections that I place in front of him, he has answers to all of them. Sir, I cannot get a finance. Sir, I'll take care of the finance. Okay, I have this problem. Sir, I will take care of this as well. I'm not happy with this kind of a thing. Sir, don't worry about this thing. This is the world's best thing. So he takes care of all the objections of mine and convinces me to buy it. But somehow, if I am not prepared to buy the product, now I do not, somehow I'm not convinced. Now what he does is he keeps answering my objections. He keeps convincing me and keeps doing that on and on and on and on. So he asks for an appointment, maybe for another call, another meeting, another schedule, another day. And he keeps doing that until and unless I buy the product. Very pushy, extremely irritating, gets on the nerves at times, but that is when the sales happen. Until and unless you understand that this is the best place, this is the best product, this is the best salesman, this is the best time, this is the best price that I can get a product for, you would never buy a product. So once the salesman has taken care of all your objections, you would be buying the product. So make sure as a salesman, you are taking care of, even if it is showing you a little pushy, even if it is showing you a little yourself as a little hard on making sales, it is okay. Because until and unless you put your client or customer into an uncomfortable zone, he would not be willing to take out the wallet or the money from his pocket. He has to get into a zone where, okay, now he understands that this is the last place. There is no point in wasting more time having more objections or visiting a new place, and now I should be buying it. And he only buys it when he gets into that uncomfortable position of having to buy it, because all his objections has been answered. He does not have any further queries. He does not have any further questions. He now knows that this is the best thing that he could have got, and now he will have to part with his money, which he was trying to not, but now he will have to do that. And until and unless you become really hard on that, most of the times your sales would not get closed if you do not get hard. So be ready to push a little harder, be hard a little, and only then you can get the success that you deserve, the success that you desire for yourself. Have a good day.